Well, hello, and thanks for clicking on this quick link. I just installed the Point of Sale 2013 onto my remote store, and wanted to kind of show you guys how it installs as at headquarters, because when you install it as only this computer, right? So how do I then change it to a remote? It's pretty simple. You just go to, let me back out so you can see it. You can either go to the I want to menu, and we'll have videos on the whole point of sale new user interface, and it's really slick, very colorful and clear now. And so version 2013, very nice. You can go to preferences, or either go to file, and there's a preference, under the file menu. Couple ways to do preferences now. Preferences, company preferences, or from the nice I want to menu right on the main navigator window or the home page, set up preferences, and then you have company preferences. Either way. And then you would actually go to store, and notice it says it's headquarters. Well, actually headquarters is at another store, so I'm going to change it to the remote store, and it's going to be 2. This is the remote store. Click OK, and now I'm prompted for the store exchange to go back and forth to the mailbag and to enter the license number of the headquarters store. And though I can't show you that, I'm going to pause this while I enter the number, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I click continue, what would happen there. So one sec. So before I enter in the license number of the POS server workstation, or workstation 1 at headquarters, because I'm at the remote store again, and I just want to show you guys here, I'm choosing Intuit Service as the communication method to send the mailbag back and forth. It's the fastest way, and I do need to create a password for both stores, and it needs to be the password at each store. Same password. So just put that in, the same one they have at headquarters. You click OK, and now I'll go ahead and put in that license and product number. Once you're done with that, go ahead and type yes to confirm. I am changing from headquarters to remote because it installed as headquarters store, and you might say why, and that is because during the installation I chose only this computer at the store, so that's what it just seems to think. And then and again, you can change it to remote just the one time, so that's what I'm doing at this store because it is the second store in my overall Carl's computer shop. Okay. Click OK, changing to remote store, and I actually created a shell of the file because I want to actually bring in the mailbag from the headquarters store, which will update me with all of the new, items, customers, vendors that headquarters would have. Okay, nice new welcome screen for point of sale. A lot of stuff here. I will do a video on the mobile sync. That's really cool. Go payment. Actually, transactions come in as sales receipts into point of sale, so that'll be really nice. It's probably the biggest changes here, but just the overall color's just wonderful, and it's very clear. Love the clarity and the fonts, the big icons, and the navigator is much more robust, I think, this year. So now I want to do store exchange. I'm in the remote store. Everything's fine there, and I want to go ahead and receive some files. I did send it from the other store. Let me see here. Second. Okay, so I found a file waiting on the Intuit servers to be processed in. Okay, this is going to populate the file with whatever is in the headquarter file at this remote store. I'll go ahead and click process in. Go ahead and click close and close again. So my store exchange is set up, and now I have, anything grayed out is what the remote store can't do. But let's just go to the item list, for example, and we'll see all the items there came over from headquarters. Okay, and I can go ahead and make a sale if I want. I can even look at sales history. It wouldn't be for this store. I could do maybe all receipts and just see, but nothing for this store yet. Because again, this is a new file. I just created a shell of a file. So at store 2. Right, when I installed Point of Sale 2013, so all the sales have been in the first store. But now I can go ahead and start making a sale. Hope that was helpful. Have a great day.